Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on ChatGPT. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we click on ChatGPT. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.